Good morning, Bachman Middle School. Today is Tuesday, March 7th. It is an A day, it is a band makeup day, and I am Mr. Strand with today's Tiger Talk. Let's start off with our word of the week. This week's word is immaculate. Immaculate means perfect, flawless, or very, very clean. One of nature's most immaculate sights is freshly fallen snow. Since we had a big snowfall last night, I thought this would be the perfect day to shoot Tiger Talk outside. But how is snow formed? Here is a video from the BBC, the British Broadcasting Company, that shows close-ups of snow, both computer-generated recreations and actual photographs from an electron microscope. Check it out.
It's one of nature's miracles and winter's most distinctive hallmarks. Snowflakes start life as tiny particles in the clouds. Water droplets are attracted to their surfaces and freeze, forming ice crystals. More and more water droplets are drawn to the crystal, which grows into a snowflake, eventually getting heavy enough to fall to the ground. The classic six-sided snowflake is the most common, but it's only one of several different types. This is a plate. And here, two plates are joined by a column. They can combine to form even more complex shapes as they fall. Needles, columns, and plates form the basic building blocks. Under the electron microscope, extreme close-ups of snowflakes reveal their almost unbelievable complexity. The weather's miracle of engineering. Each different type of snowflake forms a different type of snow, all with extraordinary properties.
Weird but true. All of the millions of snowflakes behind me were also formed in that same way. Next up, I want to remind everyone that the Spring Showcase is in 2 days, this Thursday night from 5 to 7. So hopefully you're working on your learner passports. Make sure you have them done by the end of the day on Thursday. One of the subjects that you can put in your passport, if you want to, is math. And today is Math Tip Tuesday. Today's video was submitted by Ms. Wilson, and it is a look at math in video games. Enjoy.
My name is Julia Ditar, and I'm an artist and programmer at Arcadium. Arcadium makes online and Facebook games.
Really start thinking about ideas for a sequel to Mahjong Dimensions Deluxe, how we can make it a better game.
To come up with new ideas, sometimes we'll have a brainstorm, basically just coming up with new ideas about what could be fun. Currently, a lot of the game developers are men. Hopefully that will change soon, and we'll get a lot of girls that are really into, math and would love to, make these video games because it's a lot of fun. I got into gaming because I like the combination of being able to make the art and being able to make the engine. So all programming languages are mathematically based. This is the software that we use, and it's called Flash. We use it to develop all of our games that we make. And as I move my mouse around, you can see these numbers changing. So everything that makes these objects on the game move is all based on this X and Y grid. When I write code, I write functions, and functions can do anything. The code I'm writing is going to move an object across the screen. And if I want to move anything on the screen, I have to tell the computer, oh, well, this is its coordinates now, move up here, and, take a minute to do that. So I want to make it slower. This number changes the speeds. I do 5. So in this game, all the objects that you see are being controlled by the game engine. You've got these basketballs, you've got this hoop, and basically the code controls how they're all handled and processed. So there's a lot of math going on. My job is really fun.
Thanks again to Ms. Wilson for submitting that video. That's all for today, but we'll be back inside school tomorrow with another Tiger Talk. See you then.